I like to get my fennel bulbs specifically from Whole Foods because they do sell the full organic fennel bulbs, whereas some stores have them trimmed already. So I like to be able to buy my fennel bulb intact with the stalks and the fronds and everything that a fennel bulb can offer me. I really do recommend fennel to anyone getting in the kitchen. It's a very unique ingredient that a lot of people don't know how delicious it can be. I always like to add this ingredient into my dishes because clients haven't eaten it a lot. So when they do eat it and they love it, they're like, wow, what was that? So it adds an extra like surprise element that they weren't expecting. I would recommend using fennel to the intermediate chef, just because it is a unique flavor. So until you can really understand what it tastes like, which you would have to kind of cook it a few times, after that, really the world is your oyster with fennel bulbs. They are delicious.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.